Hi everyone, Rene Bastarache here, and today I'd like to give you a law of attraction hack that's short, sweet, and very powerful. For those of you who are familiar with the law of attraction, you realize that it's like attracts like. Whatever you focus on, you attract to you. And you know, that's not only the law of attraction, but that's also one of the basic features of the subconscious mind. Whatever you focus on, not just what you think about, but what you focus on, you attract to you. So if you focus on positive, you attract it to you. If you focus on negative, you attract it to you. But here's the situation. With the law of attraction, or with the subconscious mind teachings that we have, we tell people that whatever you want, you focus on as if you already have it. In other words, I have it now. Because there's another feature of the subconscious mind that says it does not understand time. So if you say, I want to be wealthy, it says, okay, I'll wait. I want to be healthy, okay, I'll wait. Even though you may not be healthy, you need to say, I am healthy. You might not be wealthy right now, you need to say, I am wealthy. So the problem arises that you say, I am wealthy, I am wealthy. You're focusing on it, and then you say, oh, gosh, I have this bill, I have that bill. So it kind of defeats the purpose, because when you're saying, I am wealthy, you're attracting wealth and opportunity to you, but then you go back to, oh, I got this bill and I got that bill, and now you're attracting the negative or lack of wealth to you. The problem is people don't believe it. You need to say it and you need to believe it, because you need to be able to imagine yourself being wealthy in your mind if you want to have it, if you want to attract it. So how can you do that? Here's something Raluca taught me. She studies a lot. She's very much into the law of attraction. And she taught me this a while ago, and it works really well. Instead of saying, I am wealthy, try this. Wouldn't it be nice to be wealthy? Wouldn't it be nice to be healthy? And think about what it would be like. So wouldn't it be nice to be wealthy? To have that 10-acre working farm in the country, to have that vacation every month that I want to go on. Wouldn't it be nice to have that fill-in-the-blank car or truck that I've always wanted to have? Wouldn't it be nice to go on a vacation with it? Wouldn't it be nice to go cross-country with it? And imagine it, because of course the more you imagine, the more you think about it, the more real it gets. And of course, which we speak about this a lot, if you want to really supercharge it, get emotional. It's kind of like, I guess you could say, thought is the vehicle. Imagination is the gas that moves your vehicle. And emotion is what supercharges the gas. Okay, so that's what you use to get something really fast. So if you want, let's say, wealth, wouldn't it be nice to be wealthy? Wow, if I could be wealthy, I'd have this, I'd have that, and I could be doing this, and I could be helping people with that, and I can da-da-da-da-da-da, and you imagine it, and you get emotional about it, and what you're doing is you're attracting it to you a lot quicker. So give it a shot. Wouldn't it be nice if you all could have just what you want? Wouldn't it be nice if you could be successful? Wouldn't it be nice if you could be healthy? Wouldn't it be nice if you could have a spectacular relationship? Wouldn't it be nice if you would subscribe right now below? That would be so nice. I can feel the emotion. Go ahead and subscribe. Really, you're going to help my drawing it to me. So thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Be sure to share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.